Hi guys, you are watching OIT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video I will let you know that how you can install extremely lightweight Windows Optimum 11. So we are going to download and install Optimum 11 in front of you, and this operating system is highly optimized version of Windows 11, and you can install onto the older computer or normal computer and you will get performance like a new computer. So let's start. So first of all, you have to open the Chrome. Then once you open the Chrome, then you have to type onto the Chrome Optimum 1125H2 download. Once you type it, you will get various links, so you have to click onto this website Optimum 11 Pro. Once you click on that, you will have this website. Then you have to click onto the download. Once you click onto the downloads, then you have to select the operating system. So obviously Windows 11 builds. Then you have to select the build version. We will go for the 25H2. Once you click onto the 25H2, then you have this page, and then you have to click on this. Once you click it, then you have to scroll down it, go into the bottom of this page and click onto the download link. Once you click it, you will get this page. You can see that Windows X Lite Optimum 11 is highly optimized Windows, and you will get performance even onto the old computer like a new computer. So just you have to click download and the downloading will be started. You can see that the size of the ISO is just 3.2. So it is completely debloated, and you have extremely lightweight Windows 11, so you can enjoy the latest version of Windows 11 even onto the old computer. So it would take around my internet speed is a little slow. Let me change my connection and let me download this. Once it is downloaded, I will resume this video. So ISO has been downloaded, and once it is downloaded, let me show you the ISO where it is downloaded. You can see that it is available inside the downloads folder. Once we have the ISO, it is basically not a ISO, it's a WinRAR file, so we have to extract it, and once it is extracted, then you will have a ISO inside the folder, and you will have other tool as well like Rufus for the in order to make the bootable USB. But obviously we are not doing the Optimum 11 installation with USB. We are doing Optimum 11 installation without USB. So we will not use Rufus, but in future obviously we will use. So in this installation, we are performing all these activities without USB. If you don't have USB, no need to worry about that. Still you can install the Windows 11 or Optimum 11. So once I click on inside the folder, you can see that ISO is here. Once we have ISO, we have to mount it. We have to mount it, and it has been mounted. You can see that. Once it is mounted, then we have to go into the computer management because we are performing the installation without USB. If you don't have USB, no need to worry about it. Just we have to click onto the computer management because we are going to separate a little partition, 8 GB or 10 GB partition, which will operate as a USB. So let me click onto the disk management. Once we onto the disk management, then you can see that C drive is 94 GB. We will right click on it, shrink volume, we have to give size in Mbps. So in 1 GB we have 1024 Mbps, so we have to type here 10240. so I'm going to take a 10 GB chunk from the C drive. So let's click onto the shrink. Then we have to simple click onto the new, and then next, and then next. This drive will appear as a F drive. Next, next, and finish. You can see that partition has been created. Now once the partition is created, now we have to go into this computer. We have to go into this computer, and then we have to go into the mount partition. We have to copy all these files, copy, and then we have to paste inside the F drive. So it will be pasted. Now we have to download one tool that will make your drive as a bootable USB. So we have to go onto the browser. Let them copy first. So it has been copied, and then we have to come on to the browser, Chrome browser. Then we have to type easy BCD. Once you type easy BCD, you will have a easy BCD link onto the first entry. Then you have to click onto the easy BCD, then you have to scroll down it, then you have to click onto the register. Once you click onto the register, then you have to give any email address here. You can give personal email address as well. Once we click download, the software will be downloaded instantly. Now we have to double click on it. Yes, next, I agree, next, install, finish it, English, okay, okay. Then you have to click onto the add entry. Then you have to click onto the WinPE. Then you have to give it name. Then you have to go into the F drive. Then you have to click onto the sources. Then you have to click onto the boot when. Once you click it, hit the green button. It has been linked with the bootable file. Now your drive will act as a bootable USB. Now simply we need to restart this computer. Now I have to log in onto the VMware EXSI because I'm performing this practical over the virtual machine. So obviously in your case it will be a physical system. So let me stop it. So now we have this screen. So you will have this screen onto the physical system. Just you have to click onto the OPTIMUM 11. And you can see that it is being loaded. You can see that Windows X Lite. So you want to Defender on or off, you have an option. I'm going for the off. it's basically asking for the so we will go for the first option. You can also go for the second option as well. Hit next. Then you have to select your main drive. This is our main drive because 84 GB. I am going to format it, our main drive. So it has been formatted. Now we will click onto the next, and you can see that installation has been started. So once it is done, I will be back. So finally Windows has been installed, and you can see that it is highly optimized and lightweight. I can see the performance, and once you install onto the old computer, you will taste like a new computer. So once the installation done, now we have to remerge the shrink volume that we shrinked it last time. So we have to go into the disk management. Once we click onto the disk management, now we have to delete this volume. Yes, and then we have to delete this partition. Once you delete this partition, then you have to right click onto the shrink volume, then extend the volume, hit next, finish. So you can see that your volume has been added successfully and your installation has been done. Now you can enjoy your latest Windows 11 Lite 25H2 and you can enjoy all the features. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Bye bye.